So tell me, what's in Mommy's belly?
A baby.
A baby. Is it a boy or is it a girl?
Boy. No, girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah. A boy.
It's a boy?
No, girl. A boy, please.
Please, as if I can control it. Only God knows what it is, right?
It is what it is.
What is it? Girl.
No. What are we gonna name it?
Girl.
If it's a girl, what's her name gonna be?
I'm Daddy.
You are on
Yeah,
Daddy.
you're on Daddy.
Nope. Aubrey. Thank you. So Aubrey, what's the baby's name gonna be?
A baby.
Huckle?
A girl.
Andrew, what's the baby's name gonna be?
Grandma.
Grandma?
Silly.
Grandma?
Grandma?
Silly.
Have you ever heard of a baby named Grandma?
Yes.
That's a silly.
Mm.